Okay, so I already made the app to show this easier. So basically, I put this here. This is a barrel for now. Since I didn't feel like making a custom asset for this, so it just turns into this. So let's say you want to sell someone this weird color changing bush. So how do you do this with a custom shop? Well, I already made the UI, but you can and just go to the settings and make a new UI. I already made it. Put whatever you want. You don't need to make it a special symbol like a special thing like this. You can just put an emoji or a symbol here or at the start, but that'll make it a bit harder. So then you make sure that this text, you go to the script and you make it always, and you just add an infinite loop and put this in, and you make it set its text to be a global variable which it will be your custom currency. Your time is setting naming it cash. Since this is just to show it, so I'm making this have start at the maximum I can, that isn't infinity. And so now you just save that, right? And then close the UI. Right? Now we want to make this actually work. So let's just make it so there's a collision detector, okay? Yeah, that'll work. Fine. And so let me just set the size like that. So when you go near it, it's going to make a script which will execute dialogue. And due to this being a script, it allows you to do it with in a custom, but no, sorry, in a multiplayer, I think, as well. But with due to global variables, it's harder. So we'll just make the activity this, and we'll say D, and we'll make it say, do you want to buy this? I'll only add a yes option because for the no option, you don't add any scripting. Now, when you add the yes option, press the script. Now it will now set. Sorry, it will minus the global variable, right? So we will add it will decrease the global variable. Sorry. So cash minus and whatever your cost is, which will be 500. And then we'll add a mechanic which you can decide what item you get or what it does. You can also make it unlock some kind of new UI if you want. And then I'll just make it so it gives you an item, right? Obtain item, get one bush. Okay, that's that. And if we go here, then we go near, it will appear here as yes and no above the method if you set the no option. But yeah, now I got that, and you can see that the variable decreased up there, and this is the custom shop.